Yeah. It's the SHB Hair Show. Coming back to Florence, South Carolina on Sunday, July 9th, 2017 at the SIMT building located behind Florence Darlington Tech. Listen, I'm going to tell you what you're going to have under one roof for this one day only. You're going to be exposed to vendors from all across the world. You're going to have access to free educational classes. We got the big hair battle, the makeup artist showcase, the live student battle, the best bob battle, the barber showcase, and the short hair showcase. You have to be in the building. For more information, call 843-488-5788 or visit shbhairexpo.com. Tickets in advance are $25, $30 at the door. This event is hosted by yours truly, Salandia Hammond, aka Sueham, baby, also known as your thug motivator. I will see you there.